Magnitude 5.7 earthquake, depth 59 kilometers, strikes near east coast of Honshu, Japan on the 21st of August, 2025. Earthquake subject to change. Honshu is Japan's main island and home to most of the country's major cities and cultural sites. On the east coast is the Japanese capital, Tokyo, a busy global hub for finance, industry, fashion, and cuisine. Mount Fuji, an iconic, snow-capped volcano, lies southwest of the city. In central Honshu, the city of Kyoto is famed for its Zen temples, gardens lined with cherry blossoms, and traditional geisha entertainment. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.